Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got my bun and how I did my baby hairs, just keep on watching.
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo?
I will say sometimes I start off doing my hair in the shower, and that's on days where I feel it doesn't really matter how my bun looks. It's just, you know, maybe I'm going to class or the grocery store running errands. Maybe I just took a shower to, you know, chill at the crib. So I will get my hands kind of wet and I will just kind of begin to put my hair in a bun, you know, getting all the hair together, combing it through. I kind of like a messy look, but sometimes I like a really, you know, sleek bun. And then I'll just put my hair halfway through, twist it, gather it, twist it, and then put it through one more time so it's kind of literally like a knot. And then in the shower I will just have like a toothbrush that I don't really use and just kind of comb down my baby hairs. They kind of get a little bit curly like when I'm in the shower, but usually this has a little bit of extra product on it from the day before, so I'm just kind of combing through and just getting extra baby hairs or whatever. And that's how I would do my hair, you know, when I'm in the shower. When I get out the shower, I might take a little bit of this Garnier Fructis Full Control hairspray. So I would spray it like and then, you know, maybe smooth it over like this a couple of times and boom, I'm done. That's when I'm super duper busy. But if I want to put a little bit more emphasis and like maybe get my hair to actually look a little bit better than that and maybe get my baby hair is a little bit more popping, I do this out the shower, but I kind of get the process, you know, get my hair a little bit wet and damp in the shower. But if I don't feel like taking a shower and I really need to get it done, I'll take a spray bottle filled with water and I'll just kind of get it a little bit damp. For me, I feel like it's easier to get my bun when it's a little bit damp. Sometimes I might even use a little bit of mousse, and this is the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Creation Mousse. I love this mousse and it smells so freaking good. So I'll do a little bit of this. Won't use too much. I mean, this is kind of like a lot, but you know, the summertime, super duper humid, so you know, mousse is almost like really necessary. Just kind of get this on the perimeter of our hair. My hair is really thin and fine, so I don't need like a lot of like gel products to get my hair to stay. But right now I'm just gonna gather my hair in a ponytail. I'm looking in my mirror right here, so that's why I'm looking down here. I don't really like to use a comb or a brush to make it super sleek, just because I feel like I don't really want that extra perfect look, but I do like a smooth look. Okay, so I take it, sometimes I might even take it all the way through, and then this last time I might take it halfway through so it looks like this little, my hair is kind of dark so I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this little half. But I like to pull down a little bit of these to frame my hair or my face, you know. Sometimes I might even straighten these or go ahead and spray these a little bit. I like to do these like in the middle of doing my bun because I like to give these a second to curl up, because they naturally will curl up when they dry. So I like to get these started. Take a little bit of this hairspray, spray it around, and I'm going to take this front half that we didn't pull all the way through, I'm going to take it around the back and pin it down the way I want it. This is when you play around with it. You know, every messy bun comes out different literally every day, so it's not always going to be the same. You can bobby pin it, you can put clear elastics on it, put another hair tie, however you want it. I went ahead and pinned down how I like it. I'm going to take some more of this hairspray. I like it because it's not like a aerosol, you know, it's like actually like spritz. Now my baby hairs kind of vary, so I might take this argan oil from Morocco, Perfect Edges. This edge control is the extra hold. Sometimes I might even just take this Dream Kids Olive Miracle Smooth Edges. This is an anti-frizz conditioning gel. Sometimes I might even just go in with regular gel. This is the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Scrunching Gel. This smells amazing, like phenomenal. And then this is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel. And these both are kind of like, on a scale from 1 to 5, these are about a 3 for hold. For right now, I'm actually just going to go in with the Herbal Essence Curl Scrunching Gel. I don't know why I can't say that. And I'll just take a little bit on my hands. And for right now, I'm just going to go around on the outside of my, like, you know, the perimeter. I'm just going to go on the outside. And then I might even get my spray bottle and this toothbrush, spritz it. And then I'm going to kind of start to comb them out however I want them to be that day. And it really, really, truly varies. Like, some days I want them to be straight down, because I feel like edges, they make or break the look, but at the same time, it's not that deep. So you can just play around with them, and however you want them to be that day, just, you know, you can have your edges snatched for the gods, or you can just have them like baby hairs, you know. Some people take their edges way too serious, and it's usually because they rely on their edges for likes. Anyway, this right here, like this area of my head, my hair grows like this way. It goes boop, boop. And these kind of like come down easier, but these don't, because I have a cowlick. So sometimes I have to put a little bit more effort into this side and to get it swooped. So everybody knows how to get that swooped look, right? But I don't really like sometimes the swoop look. That looks a little forced. But, you know, for the sake of this video, we're going to force it. We're going to be reaching for these edges. It was like a point in time where I felt like my edges were, you know, like adult hairs at this point. So I low-key cut them. Well, it's not low-key no more because I just told y'all, but like I would just trim them, and I low-key regret it because it looked weird. Oh, I gotta show y'all this product that literally has your hair snatched for days. I'm sure y'all know what this product is. This, if you put this on your edges, it's not going anywhere. Let me tell you, your baby hairs will be laid for weeks. It will come up with like water, but when it dries, and if you try to like mess with your edges when it's dry, sis, you will have that flaking mess that is not cute. It's not cute whatsoever, so I'm letting you know. Please don't do that. This side, I usually have to put like a lot more effort. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a little. I kind of use this a lot, but it's like really, really sticky. Just because my hair does not want to lay down on this side. And this kind of gives you a shine, which I am not a fan of. That seems forced as well. I don't like walking outside and letting the world know I just did my baby hairs, you know? I want them to think they're naturally laid like this, which this side is, but this side I have to put way more effort in. If I don't want my hair to move at all, like throughout a night, or if I'm gonna be sweating, that's when I would put the Got2b glue, or glued. It's like the spiking glue gel stuff, whatever. I'm not doing nothing today, so I'm not gonna waste that on my hair. I'm telling you, sis, your stuff will not move. Your hair will go nowhere, and that's a good thing if that's like the intention, you know? But don't be wasting that on your hair just to go to class. I'm telling you, it's not worth it. Like, RIP to your edges if you use this stuff, that Got2b glued stuff, every day. Bro, what's going on with my bun right now? So if I like how they look or come out, I just kind of take a little bit of that hairspray and spray the ends, or the perimeter. Spray the edges, spray the baby hairs, you know what I mean, blah, blah, blah. That is literally how I do my bun and baby hairs. And also, if you want to see more of my vlog style, everyday, kind of like what I do on the daily basis, go ahead and check out my vlog channel, Essence Everyday. It'll be linked in the description box, and I'll also have it so you can click the little button right here. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel also. I do want to know what your favorite edge control is, so, you know, leave a comment, let me know. I want to check out some other edge controls because I'm really kind of over this one. So if you guys have any recommendations, just drop them in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for my curly little sideburns, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna wanna switch up the tempo. Can